Hello guys, today I'm going to review this Infinix Note 12 model which is available in three variants. One is G88, one is G96 and one is Infinix Note 12 VIP. VIP model is the same processor which is G96 and whereas G88 model has 6GB plus 128GB maximum ROM RAM, whereas Note 12 G96 model has two variants. One is 128GB plus 8GB, while I have this variant that is 256GB plus 8GB. The specs are like this. It has a memory of 8GB which is extendable up to 13GB. Internal ROM is 256GB. We have GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Kilo G96 processor. This is 4G mobile variant, like it doesn't support 5G technology. The competitor set which I am going to compare it with is VIVO V23e, which is 5G, but there are some shortcomings available in that model, which whereas Note 12 Infinix has three better edges, three more features than the Vivo mobile. It has battery capacity of 5000, while Vivo V23 has mobile capacity battery capacity of 4100 milliampere, which is a competitive edge of Infinix Note 12. One fraudiest and the scam thing which Vivo V23 is advertising is that they claim to have 4K mobile video resolution in recording. While I checked it, it doesn't support 4K resolution, while Note 12 supports 2K video resolution recording. So that is another edge or plus point of that this mobile. The third thing that Vivo V23e lags behind than this Infinix Note 12, that Vivo V23 has shared memory SD card slot, whereas Note 12 has dedicated micro SD card slot. So you can extend further to 56GB memory using the micro SD card, but in Vivo you cannot if you are using the dual SIM, because Vivo shares the SIM card slot with their SD card slot. So this was the comparison of Note 12 G96 with Vivo V23e. So let's just discuss how I get this phone. Although this phone was launched in 26th of May 2022 in Pakistan as a pre-order launched, and official sales was to be started on 30th of May. I ordered on the very next minute. It was launched at the 8 p.m. but I unfortunately did not get my desired phone. They took pre-orders, but they didn't deliver. The Secotel committed to do it, but they didn't. I ordered on the RAS, and nobody helped me. Even I contacted Infinix. I contacted Xpark. They said we don't deal with the RAS things, and that is a Secotel. Secotel officials were contacted, and they even blocked me after they talked to me. Anyhow, but they could not cancel my order. They have to deliver it. So what they did it, I ordered in snowfall white color, and they sent me mobile in the black color. Though I didn't wanted the black one. So black color order is on the way, but I haven't received it yet. So this one is the 256 plus 8GB variant, which I bought from the Karachi. It was Mobile Point 2 shop, and Mr. Danish was very helpful to me to arrange this model, especially for me, and ship it overnight to me, and I received it very next day early in the morning. So let's discuss this mobile phone and its unboxing. What we have inside is the Infinix Note 12. It's a MOLED 6.7 uh, full HD display, and the processor is G96 Kilo G96. You can see it's a gaming processor, or it's extendable RAM, which is 8 plus 5GB. That means you can use its RAM as up to 13GB, 7.8 mm thickness, and it's a very beautiful color and very beautiful bar type thing. You can see, and you can see the colors and the beauty of the phone. It's a bar time thing, and the edges are very nice to feel, and which give a bit look of iPhone as well. On the back side you have a speaker, USB Type C jack, then you have microphone, and you have 3.5 mm jack. There is no pin or hole here. That means you have don't have voice cancellation dedicated mic, which is a lack thing of it, lacking. Then you have a ejecting pin and slot, which where we will put, you can put two SIM cards, and when one dedicated micro SD card slot, and the two cameras. What is 50 megapixel? Focal value is like, if you can read, it's 1.6 focal value, 27 mm auto SPH camera lens, quad uh, flashlight. On front they claim to be have dual flashlight. I don't know where it is, I can't see it, but let's see when we will charge it, and we will see where does it flashes. So here is the phone construction and body. We will see what other things are in the box. We have silicone mobile phones. So let's put it inside and see. We have above edges of the phone, of the cover. That means if you put the phone on the table or the thing like that, the screen will not touch the lower surface. The protector will cover it from the to touch the screen down surface. So we have SIM ejecting pin. Then we have 33 watts max charger. The actual charger model is U330XEA. It's a 33 watts charger, and they claim to be charged, I guess, in 1 hour in the full charge. This is Type C charging cable. Seems to be very nice quality. So let's summarize the session. Why I preferred this phone? I preferred this phone because one big thing was I liked the color, that is white. The second one thing was I like this 256 GB variant, which is not very easily available in Pakistani market right now. Then by comparing which variants, like VIVO V23e variant, which is 52,000 priced at right now in Pakistan, which was a better solution, which looked better to me for some time, but actually it was not, because as I told, VIVO V23 lagged three things. One was it was not 5000 milliampere battery. This mobile phone has 5000, while VIVO V23e variant has 4100 milliampere battery. The second thing was that did not had the dedicated micro SD card slot. Infinix has dedicated micro SD card slot, whereas VIVO V23 shares that slot with the second SIM of your mobile. So and the third thing, which I think it's a sort of scam, that is VIVO V23e advertised that their mobile can make 4K video resolution video, while it doesn't. Whereas Infinix Note 12 claim to have 2K video resolution video. So Vivo had this three lack and bad things in mobile, with even higher price tag, where Infinix has lower price tag. Though they launched it on 43,000, though they launched it on 40,000 introductory price with a free gift, which even I didn't get, because they, I think, artificially shorten the stock in the market. Whereas currently its price has been increased, and now it's priced at 43,000. That is around $210, whereas officially it was launched at $200 priced. So as a phone, I feel this is a very good look and nice thing to have as your gadget or a secondary phone. Uh, so I will make another video of this GUI and its interface, while this video only focuses on the unboxing and its comparison with VIVO V23e, and about my story of getting this white phone with a hard struggle because Secotel Pakistan did not supported me to even committed their pre-order commitment that they should have been shipped me the white color. They didn't, and they finally ordered me, send me the black color, which I don't like, frankly speaking, because the black color one has the lines on the swing lines over the back on the back case as well. Anyhow, we will deal in that another way. Let's see how I will do will that do of that phone. So this is the completion of the unboxing video. In another video, I will share the user interface, GUI, and starting and things like that. Let's tune for this, tune for that video. Please like the video, comment what you liked, and share your feedback in the comments, and subscribe the channel to appreciate me to make such more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.